When you don't have enough money to pay for the Lime scooter.
Oh shit, my asshole. What the fuck? Yo!
Yo!
Oh shit!
Fast and Furious! Fast and Furious, bitch!
Bro, this whole too fast, chill!
Made it, bitch! Tell me what you gotta say. Tell me what you gotta say, bro.
I have to say, that was the most exciting and fun thing that I ever had ever since I ate my booty hole the other day. This was really fucking exciting and fun. I would do it again. I recommend it for anybody that's in Dallas, Texas, because this is a very fun activity to do, especially if you don't have any money. Find somebody like Fajita. He will do it for you free. Thank you. That's all I have to say.
Hey, you know what DK stand for?
Donkey Kong.
Drift King.